Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get a free WhatsApp number using TextNow. Firstly, head to the Google Play Store or App Store and download the TextNow app. Set up an account with your email or sign in if you already have one. Now, install the NordVPN or any VPN with US servers like HMA from the Play Store or App Store. Then sign up or log in if you have an account. Now, open the NordVPN app and connect to a US server to ensure you get a US-based number in TextNow. This helps in getting a number compatible with WhatsApp's verification. Now, open TextNow and follow the prompts to get a US-based number. Complete the setup to verify that your TextNow number is working for calls and texts. Now open WhatsApp and go to the settings to change the language if necessary. In some cases, switching languages to English might improve verification compatibility. Now, open WhatsApp and go through the registration process with the number provided from TextNow. And check TextNow for the code and enter it into WhatsApp. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.